Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. This week's video is gonna be super straight and to the point. I'm gonna do like a curly type of updo, partially because I wanted to do something that was like half up, half down, and also I wanted to do like a wet and wavy type of style, and I didn't want to do a wash and go because it's cold outside and just sitting with a wet head until it dries or diffusing it, I don't have the patience for it right now. So I'm just going to get into this look and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I got into like trying to part my hair for like this updo, and then I changed my mind because I feel like I was doing too much and I'm not trying to be doing this on this hairstyle because I low-key gotta go and I'm gonna need to figure this out. So I'm going to do like a curly mohawk of sorts, but the sides will be braided. This is not gonna be super duper like tedious because I've done this style before. However, I haven't braided both sides, so we're gonna see how both sides are braided, and then we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'll be parting at the peak of my eyebrow to the back for the braided section of this mohawk, because the sides are like the biggest part to like make sure they lay flat, and the braid is the only way I see that it lays down the flattest without putting tension on my hair with rubber bands and things like that. I will be using 2 leave-ins. I'm using a spray-in leave-in that I do not remember the name of, as well as Cantu's leave-in moisturizer, as well as the Olive Oil's Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and some grapeseed oil on my hair. The combination of these three, the leave-in, the oil, and the daily moisturizing cream has been like my go-to as of late. It's really moisturizing. My scalp doesn't feel dry because it's cold outside, so it's like really great. And my hair is super defined after I do a twist out or something like that. So I'm gonna do both sides. I tried to make these parts as straight as possible, and then I gave up. So I figured no one's gonna see it because it's a mohawk, and the hair in the middle is gonna be a lot more. It's gonna be thicker, and the section is gonna be a lot bigger, so you probably won't see it. So I'm gonna do both sides, and then I'm going to either braid or twist the center. that's just something that I feel like it's easier, it's well put away that way. I'm going to actually, instead of doing a twist out, a regular twist out or a braid out, I'm going to do a 3-strand twist. I have a video and I'll link it above on how I do my 3-strand twist. I feel like I get the most definition by doing it, even though, and it's easier to separate than a regular twist out because you don't have 2 pieces and then you got to break those 2 pieces down. It's already split into 3 sections and I can pretty much just snatch them down and go. I love 3-strand twist out. It's probably one of my favorite among the twist outs and the braid outs, really. So I'm gonna do the entire middle section and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. When I tell y'all I was in a complete rush, I have never taken down a twist out of any kind this fast. I will be using African Pride's 5 essential oil, 5 ingredient essential oil for the takedown. I've been using it for a while. I think it causes less frizz when I use this oil, even though I just put a ton of oil in my hair anyway when I was installing. However, I think it just prevents the frizz from happening, and I can wait until I have to put a hat on to get the frizz and to get the whole 9. But I was like flying out of this bathroom. Please ignore the foundation that is on my lip because I was like such in a rush. I hadn't even fully gotten myself together, but I needed to be out the house like ASAP. So I'm taking my twist down and I'm going to fluff, and then I'll show you the final look. Now, you know, when it comes to hair, shape is everything. These bobby pins were like the bane of my existence this day, but I finally got everything into place. I added some hair accessories and to the braids just to make them pop. And so, like, if people see them, at least you're gonna see them and they look dressed up, and it's just not like, why she got her hair braided on the side? But you know what? You get the point. The fro hawk was looking super dope this day. I'm just so bummed that I wasn't able to capture some footage of my hair as it being finished, because somehow my camera was falling in the midst of all of this. So I tagged some pictures at the end so you can see my hair throughout the course of that day. I love this hairstyle. I would more than likely do it again because it was super easy, and then I found out it was even easier to take down. So if I'm rushing, it's lit. Like this style. Be sure to tell me in the comments what you did or didn't like about this style, and hopefully you can recreate something new. Again, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be posting every Tuesday at 2 p.m. So be sure to tune in, and I'll catch you next week.